How to remove PayPal button from Shopify checkout. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Shopify, and after that you will be able to find the option of settings at the bottom left hand side corner. Simply click on it. After that, scroll down, and over here on the left hand side panel you will be able to find the option of payments. Simply select it, and after that you will be able to find the option of payment methods. Over here, if your PayPal button is over there, then it should be activated. And since there is no PayPal button for me when I'm doing the checkout on my store, that's why it is deactivated. So just simply click on your PayPal and deactivate it. This way you would be able to remove the PayPal button from your checkout, and it might take a little while, so just wait for it like 4 to 5 minutes and just refresh the page, and then you should see the PayPal button going away. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.